Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we are playing MM2. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Please do, because I'm trying to get lots and lots of subscribers. Oh, okay, I just died straight away. By the way, don't mind my avatar, only mind the seal because I love seal so much. I love it so much. I have it on my literal name. So yeah, I will get you back into it's another round. Okay guys, it is the other round. I met someone here. Don't know her. She's bold, we're bold. We both have the same face. Now they're both eating ice cream. That's a preferably that's beautiful. But I don't want to eat some ice cream. Go. Okay, I'm innocent again. I literally don't know why, but I keep getting innocent. Someone get me in there. Okay, let me in there. Now it broke. Great. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh, the electricity. Someone's a murderer. I know who's the murderer, I think. And that is not me. They can't find me. They're stupid. They don't know what to do. Well, you can't find me. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna hide because I'm scared. I think that's the murderer. Yeah, he's chasing me. I think he's the murderer. He's chasing me. What the hell? Why are they all slaying? What's this? Oh my god. What's this? I ate this round. Slay. Oh my god. Slay. Yes, oh my god, slay. I'm just doing it for the fun, okay? Yeah. I'm just doing it for fun. Make sure to like and subscribe. What the actual Lord is that username? Wow, 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 wow. By the way, if you don't know MM2, you can actually hide in this place. Thank you, I slayed. Yeah, this is me in the 6 weeks old. I want to say something. I hope you guys have the best 6 weeks off. Like, I know. I'm gonna be in year 5. I'm in year 4 right now. I'm gonna be in year 5. Which is the oldest in my class, and I can't believe this. I'm just gonna pretend that never happened. Oh, hi. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay away from her. I'm just gonna hide. Like, no one even knows what's happening. Okay, what the hell is this bomb lagging? LOL. Psych. I'm so... What? I literally said this. What? Literally just silence. What? Like, what? On my other video for you, I will do reacting if you want. Say in the comments. The most one will get pins. I will say it. Like on my other video, me and my friend. Just say on the other video. Cause I don't know why, but I have 2 accounts. And I went on my account, MM2, and there you go. I listened to it. Okay, I listen to people. Okay, the murderer's there. Oh my god, there's a dead body. Yeah, I played this game lots of times with my friend. Don't call me, what the hell? So call me maybe. Yes! We survived. What the hell is this? I'm crying on my mother's floor. Why don't you want...
Woohoo! Yes, my sister.
Bro, we won. We are so good at this. Yeah, I don't know what. Seal, shut the... What the hell? But I'm just gonna say this bird's going feisty. Bird's going feisty. I'm crying on my mom's floor. Why don't you want this anymore? I'm craving you to change for me. I hear you. I love you. I'm not the one who someone has true love in me, okay? What the hell is he? Whoa! Yeah, I'm just gonna say this is on the goddamn same server. I'm not in the same server, and we're fighting. Is there someone on the same server and we're fighting? Like, take a whip, yeah? Where is everyone? Okay, I'm just gonna say something. I'm just gonna do something here. Like and subscribe for this. I will comment. I'll pin the most comments for you guys. Whoever says what game do you want, we could do an RP. We could do Murder Mystery again. We could play Piggy. We could play old games. We could do reacting. Go on my swing. Well, if I'm at my homes. We could do anything you want, guys. Like and subscribe. Oh my god, it's drama. Mom, okay, so I'm just gonna do that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to all my videos. Love ya. Bye.